Perfect. So right now I'm going to take 3 routers. Router 1, router 2 and router 3. Clear? So these 3 I am going to keep in the same AS. Okay. I am connecting this. Okay. Okay, I am going to create the loopbacks. What is the loopback here? 10.0.1.0, 10.0.2.0, 10.0.3.0, 10.0.4.0. Make a duplicate. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
So here I am planning to give, what is that? 13, right?
13. 13.1.1.
13.0.1.0, right?
13.0.0.0.2.
Okay. Because these are all labs I am doing as my like. I am not following any rules or anything. Okay.
Rules?
Yeah, because we need to do it as we like. 10 dot, I will do it like this, 10.0.0/13. Okay.
Okay.
Now here 23. Clear? So here what my plan, I want to give here dot 1. Here I want to give you dot 2. Okay. Now here I want to give dot 1. Here I want to give dot 2. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Right. Let's start now. So first of all, what I want to do now, let's remove this. Right click on this and say start. We will start it from here.
Okay.
So right click on this and say console. So first of all, let's go and configure it. It's quite interesting now. conft. Let's see now. So first of all, interface fast Ethernet 0x0, IP address 12.0.0.1, 255.255.255.252. Is it okay?
Yes.
Now shut down. Interface loopback 0, IP address 10.0.1.0.
1.0. Yeah, 1.1 you can say.
1.1. Very good. Why? Because you cannot give 1.0.
Network ID.
Perfect. Right? Then interface loopback 1.
10.0.2.1.
Interface loopback 2.
10.0.3.1.
Interface loopback 3.
10.0.0.4.1.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Can we verify now? Show IP interface brief. Let's see now. I'm sorry, interface brief. Now let us see. So one is faster Ethernet 0 by 0. This is this guy, he connected to other router, and there is 4 loopback interfaces. Okay, each loopback you can assume that it's connected to different networks in different places. Clear?
Yes.
Right, let's see now. Let's go to this guy, router 2, click on the start and say console. That's right. I need to give here what is the AS number for everything. 100.
100.
Okay, this is the autonomous system for this. Let's click on this conft. I'm sorry, conft interface fast Ethernet 0 by 1 IP address 12.0.0.2 55.55.55. bus, no shutdown. That's it. Now interface fast Ethernet 0 by 0 IP address 23.0.0.1 55.55.55.52, no shutdown. That's it, right? So is there any configuration is required here?
No.
Nothing. So I want to check it now. If I check it from here, it will give error. So ping, I need to go 12.0.0.1. Let's wait, it's pinging or not.
No, it will not ping.
It will ping. Why? Because between these two we establish a connection.
But you
This-
have written 0.01.
0 1, there is no value for left, right? If you write it on the right, it will be value, right?
Okay.
Clear? So see here. Okay, if you write it 10 here, it will not be ping. Why? Because the right side it doesn't give any value. It's a value, right? Perfect. Now no problem. Right click on this, click on this start, right click on this, say console. You are understanding now?
Yes.
Right, let's see now. So what we are doing now, conft interface fast Ethernet 0 by 1 IP address 23.0.0.2 55.55.55.52, no shutdown. Okay, interface loopback 0. Okay, but I am getting confused. I don't want this. No interface loopback 0. I want to start from loopback like this. Interface loopback 1, so that it will be good for me. Okay, IP address 13.0.1.1 55.55.55.0. Okay, interface loopback 2 IP address 13.0.2.1 55.55.55.0. interface loopback 3. Okay, IP address 13.0.1 55.55.55.0. I'm sorry, 0. Then interface loopback 4 IP address 13.0.4.1 55.55.55.0. That's it. Clear?
Yes.
Now let's verify. Now show IP interface brief. Let's see. Now if you see here, I want to ping 23.0.0.1. It's pinging. Perfect.
Yes.
Right. Now we need to implement the Eigrp. Let's go to router 1. Can we do it now?
Yes.
Now see here, show IP route. I am going to show you interesting way. So first of all, we need to advertise which network?
10.
10. After that,
12.
but in the 10, how many sub networks are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right?
Yes.
These many networks are there.
Yes.
So these are all networks are representing with the 10. So what you can do simply, you can advertise 10 network, you can advertise 12 network. Simply you can say no auto summary.
Okay.
So whatever sub networks are there in that, it will advertise automatically.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Let us see now how I am doing. See, conft, okay, router Eigrp 100 network. You can say simply 10.0.0, which means when you advertise 10 network, it is representing all these networks.
Yes.
Okay, and now you can say network 12.0.0.0, but don't forget that you need to use
No
auto
summary.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Say exit now. Okay,
Okay.
that's it. Let's go to router 2. Can you tell me what was the network we need to advertise here? Before that, we need to type show IP route here. There is 23 network, there is a 12 network. Okay,
Yes.
conft, I'm sorry, already we are there. Router Eigrp 100, then network 23.0.0.0,
12.0.0.0.
12.0.0. No,
No, sure.
no auto summary,
No, give it to.
right?
Yes.
Now let's go to router 3. conft router Eigrp 100 network. Okay, what is the networks? First we see the routing table. Do show IP route. How many networks we need to advertise? It will tell you 23 network and 30 network, right? So what you need to do, network 23.0.0.0 network 13.0.0.0. now you can say no auto summary. Is it clear?
Yes.
It's done now. Fantastic. Now let's go to check in the routing table in router 1. Does we get all the routes or not? Show IP route. See, did you find it?
Yes.
You are getting all the routes, right?
Yes.
Is it clear? So now I am sitting here. I want to communicate to this network 13.0.1.1. Can we ping?
Yes.
13.0.1.1. You are getting reply, right?
Yes.
Let's go to router 2. You will be surprised. Show IP route. Boo, boo, boo. Clear?
Yes.
Clear. Let's go to router 3. It's showing?
Yes.
Everything is showing. But here, everything is fine and everything is good. Everything is working fine. But there is a problem.
Okay.
It's not a problem, but here your routing table is showing very big size. See here,
Yes.
right? It's showing very big size. Now you want to make it your routing table looking sexy. You need to make it your routing table sexy, beautiful, which means you should reduce the routes.
Okay.
So if you reduce the routes, which means not to delete the routes. If you delete it, what it will happen? You will not communicate with other networks.
Yes.
So you need to jig the routes.
Yes.
You need to summarize the routes. Right now we are going to see the summarization. Can we see now?
Yes.
Right. I am going to pause this video now.
But we have already given the
Yeah, because see, when the router
recording
2,
start.
yeah, when the router 2 is receiving this routes, it's showing in the routing table is very big. See here, show IP route. Now we know how to do the summarization. See, it's showing all these 4 routes. It's showing all these 4 routes. Clear? So we need to avoid this. So for avoiding, what we have to do now? So from router 1, the fast Ethernet 0/0, through this the information is going outside, right? And now we need to make a summarization here in the router 1. So you write this information. Can you write it the word in Eigrp? In Eigrp, the summarization will be done on interface level. Will be done on interface level. So right now if you see here in the router 1, fast Ethernet 0/0 is going outside. The information is going outside here, right?
Yes.
So in this level here we need to apply the summarization. Can we do it now? Now go to conft interface fast Ethernet 0/0 IP summary address. Wow. See, it's asking IP summary address. Then which protocol we are using? Eigrp, right? Eigrp. Give the question mark because I don't know the syntax. That's why I'm using this. Then what is the autonomous system number? 100. Then after that, give the ABCD IP address, which means your summarized IP address. Can you tell me what is the summarized IP address? 10.0.0.0. Then what is the slash value?
21.
Which means 248.0. right? Then see here it's asking, do you want to give any AD value or anything? No need to give anything. Simply you write this and hit enter. That's it. It's done. Done. That's it. Now let's go and check it in router 2. You will find sexy and sweet routes. See here, now show IP route. See how many lines you got it. Let us see regarding, see here,
One.
only one route.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now let's go and verify there in router 3. Show IP route, whether it's affected or not. Let's check.
Yes.
Is it clear? You got the sexy routes?
Yes.
Clear? Now what we need to do? Now from here in router 3, the information is going outside. Why? Because it's taking all these routes. So here we need to do the summarization.
On fast global.
Right? Can we do it here in router 3? ConFT. Then after that what we need to do? Interface fast Ethernet 0 by 1, IP summary address, EAGRP 100. Then what is this? 13.0.0.0, right? Same thing here also, right?
नहीं 8 लिखा ना हमने
8.
अच्छा वो आपने भी दिया
Ticket 255.255.248.0. Here also I think same, right?
Yes.
Then after that you can say enter. It's done now. Let's wait. See, it's saying that again it's reconfigured, resync. Let's check. Show IP route. Let's see now. It's changed.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Before your routing table is this much big. Now it's summarized. Is it clear?
Yes.
Only these routes. Is it okay?
Yes.
Now let's see now. If you type in router 1, let's see what's going on. Show IP route. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it okay? Now your routing table is too sexy and too small. Now you try to ping. Ping 13.0.1.1. You will able to ping. 13.0.2.1. You will able to ping. 13.0.3.1. You will able to ping. 4.1. Is it clear?
Yes.
Do you understand this?
Yes.
So this is the way how you are going to summarize. Okay?
Yes.
Enjoy. Is it clear?
Yes.